When a person falls in love, they can sometimes lose their objectivity about the relationship. They may even ignore negative things that they suspect or have discovered about the person they love, especially if they've already made wedding plans. Look out for the following danger signs if you plan to get married soon. Your awareness may help you avoid a marriage filled with pain, shame, and disappointment. Danger sign number 6, unhealthy emotional attachments. An unhealthy emotional attachment refers to an ill-fated emotional dependency upon someone that can hinder your progress and maturity. A person struggling with this seems to lack the ability to recognize or simply refuses to acknowledge the fact that there are people close to him or her who may be a stumbling block. People in this situation may also lack the courage to set the boundaries needed to insulate themselves from manipulative family members and peers who may hinder their success and personal development. Before getting married, make sure the person you plan to marry does not feel obligated to satisfy family members, including parents or other people to whom he or she feels emotionally connected. Failure to properly manage these relationships can potentially sabotage wedding plans or create severe relationship problems after the wedding.